A-Team, it's your captain again, Terraine, all-terrain cleaning solutions. Here we got this one-story gutter clean. See a barrel towel, lots of algae on there. And here we got the old leaf blower from Harbor Freight. Tried to blow the leaves out, didn't do very much good because why? Sediment all in there. It was jam-packed in there like paste. And I tell you, we pulled out probably about 80 to 100 pounds of sediment and muck. Feel heavy like wet cement. We're looking there in the northwest plain, algae all the way down 60 feet down there to the end. So as always, you see us with our gutter scooper. We push everything down while I get all of the sediment and muck out. And then you see us doing a report right here for our client, as we do as a courtesy to everyone. We noticed this algae here, recommended that she should have it soft washed. So now you're actually seeing what's actually in those gutters. That particular gutters, you see they're rounded about. You seen there just a moment ago, the downspout, that was covered under about 1 inch to 2 inches of sediment of mud. So imagine all that. So it was baked in there. The water couldn't drain properly. So yeah, we had to go to town with that. Look at this place. I mean, this spot right here on this gutters. I couldn't even get 2 fingers in there. So in order to clean that particular area, see a cracked towel on that one right there. We pointed that out. We did some towel patching for them. You see us right going in there looking at the gutters. This is all over inspection. Normally you should be able to get at least 3 to 4. And that one, like I said, when you're doing these type of gutters, these ones are the difficult ones that takes more time than a normal. They look nice on the house, but for the technician, they could be, pain in the neck getting those particular type of gutters clean. So again, when they call all-terrain cleaning solution, they're looking for the professional, stellar cleaning service, and that's what we provide. So and watch when you see the after photos. I mean, we got these things sparkling. Now we're on the north front part of the home, facing, again, that's northwest. You see those gutters there all around, sediment, leaves all in there. I mean, this house didn't give us a break, but we went to town. As I was mentioning, our client was so pleased with the finished and final results. Here we are commencing with the rinse down after we got all the sediment out. This is the back side of the house. And like I said, 350 linear feet on a 1-story home. That's a lot of gutters, guys. But nothing for the A-Team to go out and tackle. So here we are along the backside, giving it that nice clean, making sure all of the mud, and because it could be messy cleaning up, doing gutter cleaning. Now look at them. Voila. All right. So we're getting around these corners here, wrenching everything down. Of course, after we do the clean, we clean up on the grounds, make sure all those downspouts are looking good as if they were like the first day they were installed. Look at that. And then we get into that difficult area I showed you guys. You can't even get 2 fingers in there, but we made sure that everything was flushing, and we put that hose or the nozzle in there, and we shoot in there. And this is medium pressure here, so it's not a high pressure, but it's medium pressure enough to agitate, and it's a lot of volume of water going through, so we can flush those gutters out. And here we got, again, like I said, we shoot about on this particular stretch of this, I would say west-facing plane, that was about 50 feet up there. Now we're in the front side, getting everything. Look at all that algae, lichen, all that on the actual roof. We'll be sometimes in the near future doing a roof soft wash on this particular property, if everything goes well as I suspect that it should. And here we are rinsing the gutters out here too. See? Look at that. These particular gutters, let me mention, they look very, very nice. I mean, it's like, the way that they are actually, they set on the actual house there. And you see they have like something inside of the gutter that's blocking the downspouts from getting clogged. Look at that clean. All of the gutters on the property when we got done, 350 linear feet, just like that. So these particular gutters require some extra attention for sure, but we get it done, allterrain.com.